Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best windshield visor is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for any truck owner, offering a critical shield against the elements and enhancing your driving experience in ways you might not expect. This seemingly simple addition can significantly reduce sun glare, protect your interior from harmful UV rays, and even improve fuel efficiency by reducing the need for constant air conditioning use, making it a smart investment for comfort and longevity of your vehicle. Number 5. Magnelex Car Windshield Sunshade X Large. Experience a cooler and more comfortable atmosphere inside your vehicle on scorching summer days. This shade shields against harmful UV rays and significantly reduces heat, promising a refreshing start every time. Crafted from premium 240T reflective polyester, it effectively blocks heat and sun. This ensures your vehicle stays cool and is protected from damage caused by hot sunlight. A convenient storage bag is included with your purchase. You can easily stash it away when not in use or for long-term storage. Unlike basic sunshades, our optimized design ensures a snug windshield fit with no gaps. This means better heat reduction, stronger UV protection, and a noticeably cooler car. Refer to our size chart to select the ideal shade for your vehicle. Our X-large size measures 65.7 by 36.4 inches, ensuring snug and effective coverage for enhanced protection. What we like. This option boasts innovative no-light pass technology for maximum protection. If you're looking for the ultimate defense against heat and UV rays, this is the one. Its premium material ensures your vehicle stays significantly cooler, making it ideal for those who park in direct sun for extended periods. What people say. It's a great product and it works perfectly. The visor is easy to install and looks great on the truck. This visor is very durable and has held up well in bad weather. Number 4. FORTEM Windshield Sunshade. Keep your car's interior looking brand new. This shade prevents cracking and fading of your dashboard, interior, and seats by blocking direct sunlight. Stay comfortable no matter the weather. It blocks intense sun heat from entering your vehicle, ensuring a cool and pleasant interior. Storage and use are a breeze. It's collapsible, comes with a pouch, and is simple to unfold and secure against your windshield. Find the perfect fit for your vehicle. It's available in 3 sizes to accommodate a wide range of trucks, SUVs, and sedans. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. This windshield accessory is covered by a full-year warranty. What we like. This sunshade is designed to protect your car's interior from cracking and fading. If you prioritize the longevity and pristine condition of your vehicle's dashboard and seats, this is a solid choice. The included 1-year warranty also offers peace of mind for your investment. What people say. The visor is well constructed and fits perfectly on my truck. It effectively deflects rain and sun, keeping the interior cooler and drier. Installation was straightforward, and it has held up well through various weather conditions. Number 3. BDK American Flag Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade is designed to fit most personal vehicles. Its universal size and tapered edges ensure a snug fit, using your rearview mirror for support. Avoid excessive heat and keep your car's interior cool on sunny days. It can reduce interior temperatures by 30 to 50 degrees, making your drive more comfortable. This protector shields your dashboard, radio, and electronics from damaging UV rays. It helps increase the lifespan of your vehicle's interior components. Featuring a dual-layer bubble design, it offers maximum protection against the sun's heat and harmful UV radiation. This keeps your seats and steering wheel cool. The foldable accordion design makes setup and storage a breeze. It conveniently folds away with a Velcro closure and can be used on either side. Enjoy the same great protection no matter which side you use. Its unique, lightweight design ensures durability and ease of use. What we like. Show off your patriotic spirit with this uniquely designed sunshade featuring an American flag. If you appreciate a blend of style and function, this is a great pick. Its dual-layer bubble design offers excellent UV protection, and the fact that it's reversible adds extra value and convenience. What people say. The visor is easy to install and fits perfectly on my truck. It effectively blocks the sun glare, making driving much safer. The design is sleek and adds a nice aesthetic to the truck. Number 2. BDK Lavender Shine Accordion Folding Windshield Sunshade. Tired of a scorching hot car interior? Our top-quality windshield sunshade is designed to keep your vehicle cool and comfortable, even on the sunniest days. It effectively reduces interior temperatures, making your drive much more pleasant. This sunshade is great for all types of vehicles, including cars, vans, trucks, and SUVs. It helps protect your dashboard, radio, and electronic devices from damaging sun exposure, potentially increasing their lifespan. Featuring a dual-layer bubble design, it offers maximum protection for your vehicle's interior. It effectively blocks harmful UV radiation, keeping your seats and steering wheel cool to the touch. Setting up and storing this sunshade is a breeze. Its foldable accordion design allows for quick propping and easy fold-away storage with a convenient hook and loop closure. Designed to fit universally, it can be used on both sides, offering the same great protection. Enjoy consistent defense against the sun's heat and rays, no matter which way you orient it. What we like. Experience a touch of tranquility with this sunshade that offers a subtle lavender scent. If you're looking to create a more pleasant and cool interior environment, this is the one for you. Beyond its calming aroma, it provides robust UV protection and easy, reversible use. What people say. This visor is a great addition to my truck, it keeps the sun out of my eyes. The design of the visor is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly on my truck. Installation was a breeze, and it looks fantastic on my truck. Number 1. Motor Trend AS312 RD Jumbo Sunshade. This jumbo sunshade is designed to fit most cars, trucks, SUVs, and minivans. Its universal design ensures a snug fit for your windshield, using the rearview mirror for support. Avoid the heat and keep your vehicle's interior cool on sunny days. This sunshade reduces interior temperatures significantly by blocking harmful UV rays. Extend the life of your vehicle's dashboard and protect sensitive electronics like your radio and GPS. Its unique design simplifies application and repositioning. Featuring a dual-layer bubble design, it offers maximum protection against the sun's heat and harmful UV radiation. Keep yourself and your passengers cool during summer trips. The foldable accordion design makes setup and storage incredibly easy. It even comes with a hook and loop closure for convenient folding and can be used on both sides. What we like. This jumbo-sized sunshade is perfect for larger vehicles like trucks and minivans. If you've struggled to find a sunshade that offers full coverage for your expansive windshield, this is your solution. Its accordion folding design makes it easy to use and store, ensuring maximum protection for bigger vehicles. What people say. The visor is made of durable material and has a sleek design that complements the truck's appearance. Installation was straightforward and the visor fits perfectly, providing excellent protection from sun glare and rain. The visor effectively reduces wind noise at highway speeds, making the driving experience more comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.